Sick of dealing with a dirty backup camera while reversing? Tired of cleaning it by hand every time? A dirty camera blocks your view, which can easily lead to accidents. Keep your Tesla backup camera crystal clear for ultimate safety. Here is a super simple DIY solution. Watch the video to learn how to install it yourself. Next, we'll guide you through the cable routing process on the Tesla Model 3 Highland to achieve a sleek, flawless look and keep everything neat and secure. You can use the included Velcro straps to secure the wiring along the way. The process may be a bit long, but we demonstrate it in detail to help everyone install it successfully. This DIY kit includes everything you need for the installation, such as adhesive tape, clips, Velcro, and zip ties. We've got you fully covered. Of course, feel free to fast forward or skip this part if you prefer. Keep in mind that for the Tesla Model Y, power can easily be drawn from the trunk cigarette lighter socket for more convenience. At the end of this video, we'll show you how to power the system from the Model Y trunk cigarette lighter. If you're a Model Y owner, feel free to skip the Model 3 power installation section. Our DIY rear camera cleaning system features automotive-grade components throughout, including the fluid reservoir, motor, remote control box, remote, nozzle, power plug, and tubing, genuine 3M industrial automotive tape, heavy-duty Japanese Velcro, and automotive-grade zip ties to ensure maximum long-term durability. The installation is completely non-destructive. No drilling, no screwdrivers required, and it can be removed at any time, leaving absolutely no residue. Furthermore, while some competing systems require modifications near the license plate, many countries and regions strictly prohibit any alterations around that area. Because our DIY system avoids this entirely, you face absolutely zero legal risks or compliance issues. After routing the cables, connect the power cord to the remote control box. Place the fluid reservoir into the Tesla trunk's side pocket, and tuck all excess cables and tubing neatly inside. You can use the included Velcro to secure the fluid reservoir upright, as maintaining an upright position is crucial to prevent leaks from the air hole located at the top of the fluid reservoir. Alternatively, you can simply place another item next to the fluid reservoir to keep it upright. For testing purposes during the later installation process, you can add some water to the fluid reservoir beforehand. Next, let's route the water tube. Since this is a DIY product, there is no single fixed installation method. Feel free to adjust it based on your preferences, as long as it achieves the desired spray effect. The routing method demonstrated here for Model 3 owners is fully tested to ensure smooth water flow. Our fluid reservoir has an impressive capacity of 1.25 liters, meaning one full refill will last you a very long time, and topping it off is incredibly easy. During the summer, plain water is usually perfectly fine. However, in freezing weather, be sure to use windshield washer fluid rated for your local temperatures to prevent the system from freezing up or causing damage. Before applying double-sided tape to any surface, please wipe the area clean to ensure a strong and lasting bond. The adhesive included in this DIY kit is genuine, industrial-grade 3M tape. After installing this rear camera cleaning system, we conducted a year-long road test under various extreme weather conditions, including scorching summer heat, freezing winter snow, and heavy rainstorms. The results prove that this installation method is both simple and highly durable, so you don't have to worry about the tape peeling off. However, as a quick tip for long-term reliability, avoid spraying a high-pressure washer directly at any taped areas when washing your car. When securing the tube with zip ties, be sure not to over-tighten them, as this can restrict water passage. If you notice that water fails to spray or the pressure is weak when the trunk is fully closed, the tube is likely pinched or kinked somewhere. Please check and adjust the routing carefully to guarantee the water flows freely, even with the trunk shut. Some people might ask, can this DIY rear camera cleaning system be used on any car? The truth is, while it fits most vehicles on the market, it depends on your car's layout. We provide a 16.5-foot water tube, and the power cord comes in two length options, 5 feet or 16.5 feet. As long as these lengths are sufficient for your vehicle, the nozzle can be installed within 2 inches of your backup camera. And you can mimic the spray angle shown in this installation video to ensure the water hits the lens perfectly. It will work for your car. Also, please ensure that the nozzle is installed higher than the fluid reservoir to prevent any unwanted leaks. If the dimensions don't fit, the angle is completely mismatched, or the height requirements aren't met, we cannot guarantee consistent, precise cleaning or proper operation. As for the clean look, the final setup will vary by vehicle. Depending on your car's design, whether it's a traditional gas car or a newer EV with a unique camera placement, the tubing and nozzle may remain partially visible, and achieving a completely hidden look might not be possible. However, with a little careful routing, you can still keep the overall setup looking clean and organized. When positioning the nozzle near the camera, you can test the spray angle first before finally applying the tape. If you find that the angle is slightly off after taping it down, preventing it from precisely cleaning the lens, don't worry. You can use our included tool to micro-adjust the nozzle angle until you achieve your ideal cleaning effect. Positioned extremely close to the backup camera, the nozzle delivers a more precise spray angle and maximum pressure, easily blasting away stubborn stains on the lens. Most importantly, it will not block or obstruct the camera view at all. Once again, we must emphasize, be sure to wipe the area completely clean before applying the tape. Installation complete. Let's check out the cleaning effect. As you can see, the difference is clear. From now on, you'll never have to worry about a dirty backup camera or the hassle of wiping it manually. Our kit gets power directly from the cigarette lighter, making it incredibly safe. There are some rechargeable options on the market that might look more advanced, but if you've ever experienced the extreme heat of summer, you know that exposing a battery to those conditions is like carrying a ticking time bomb on your car. Plus, rechargeable models require constant charging, which is a huge hassle, and they often run out of power right when you need them most, especially in freezing winter. Our product completely eliminates that problem. No charging needed. It's a one-time installation for permanent peace of mind. All you need to do is refill the fluid reservoir when it runs low. Our DIY rear camera cleaning system is safe, practical, simple, and affordable. If you're tired of a blurry backup camera, give our product a try. Once installed, the rear of the car looks incredibly clean and neat. The only thing visible is a very short section of the water tube right next to the taillight. For Tesla Model Y owners, since the trunk has a cigarette lighter port, you only need to connect the harness to the trunk cigarette lighter to power the device. This makes routing the wires much more convenient and faster.